And you know, here's the other thing, is sometimes if you spend an extra buck or two, the quality goes way up. Leveled wrong, just square it up. Real simple. Always better to work with a straight edge. So again, we're going to go to the edge. And on this one, I'm going to run, let's see, we'll just do it to the edge all the way. And then come on over. Right here. Remember, if you cut it too far, it's real simple. You just, always better to have a little further, a little more than too tight. And as you can see, this process is relatively quick. It's not, you know, you may be the rocket science type. I'm not. It doesn't have to be exact. You can get it very, very close. Oh yeah, that's sticking very, very well. Have to be careful so, even.
Like a level of 1 to 10, how sticky would you say?
I would say this is the tack on this. It's probably a solid 8 or 9. I mean, it's sticking with me just rolling it down on there, and I'm not even pressing really hard, you know. And
here's the last one.
Yeah. So then once I have it on there, I'm not stretching it. I'm just pressing it. Nice. Yeah, you see it fits right in the edge, seals up really nice. I am very, very impressed with that. So kudos to this manufacturer.
These guys, right?
And you know, here's the other thing, is sometimes if you spend an extra buck or two, the quality goes way up. And you see how I fit that in there? It's pretty good. Is it perfect? Probably not, but guess what? It's going to grill meat. It's going to smoke. So all of you do-it-yourselfers like me, sometimes people are afraid to tackle a simple job because they think it has to be so perfect. And it doesn't. What's our goal? Our goal is to seal off the door so we can keep more smoke in on our meat. That's our end game. So as you can see, I'm just going to butt it up. You see, I'm just going to roll it right up there. It's my measurement. So I'm going to butt it up here, and then I'm going to come down, and we want it to butt up on the bottom right there. So just like that. Bam.